Have you ever wondered what the Jane Doe ruling in the Diddy case means for future cases? Let's dive right in. Recently, two Jane Does attempted to bring sexual assault lawsuits against Sean Diddy Combs anonymously. But federal judges rejected this. They underscored the defendant's right to know his accuser and the public's interest in transparent trials. It's a complex issue, balancing privacy with justice, and it's got people talking. This ruling has sparked a conversation about the use of pseudonyms in court cases. So, what could this mean for future cases? Well, the implications of this ruling are wide-ranging and could potentially affect the fabric of our justice system. It's possible that this decision may deter some plaintiffs from stepping forward, particularly those who have experienced traumatic events. The fear of public exposure and potential backlash is a daunting prospect, and the process of revealing their names in court could lead to some cases being dropped. However, there's a glimmer of hope. In some instances, courts have granted anonymity to minors or those with medical documentation of harm. This provides a level of protection for the vulnerable, but it's not a blanket policy. Each case is weighed on its merits, balancing the rights of the accused with the need for privacy. Despite the challenges, it's important to note that some cases continue to proceed under real names. This is especially true in light of the changing perceptions of sexual abuse in the post-Me Too era. So while this ruling might be seen as a setback, it's not the end of the road. This ruling has set a high standard for future anonymity requests. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how this plays out in other cases and whether this high bar for anonymity becomes the norm or the exception. Despite the challenges, what's next for the Jane Does in the Diddy case? Well, the Doe's attorney is adamant about moving forward, regardless of the ruling. They're not the first to face this hurdle. Similar rulings have also been seen in cases against Harvey Weinstein, but it's not just about legal proceedings. We must consider the psychological toll on victims who are forced to reveal their identities. The strain can be immense, adding another layer of trauma to an already painful situation. The Jane Doe ruling in the Diddy case has certainly made an impact, and only time will tell how it shapes future court proceedings. Join our community of informed citizens. Subscribe to your daily dose of news and be part of the conversation.